Hello, friends. We are here to gather organize Self Employment Ministry 16th session. As you know, I am working for making a concept live, that is organized Self Employment Ministry and budget, which is required for self employment government job. As the job problem is too much in India, and it is possible by our effort by joining Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 63973 The concept is we should include in our work by the parliamentary validity right of pension, fundamental right of pension after 14 years for self-earning, self-income, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing to certain ministry office, fundamental right of educational certificate in capital value, organize self-employment ministry and budget, preamble wise organize employed, preamble wise organize self-employed. This is the way we can become organized self-employed. Those who are working, they will also get covered, and those who are not working, they will get full support by organized self-employment ministry, self-earning, self-work. This is my book, Truth Only Trumps, which I have written in 2001. This book is containing 218 pages. This book is containing 218 pages, and it is being sold by me in the market. You can purchase this book from me and by ordering on my phone number 63973 and become part of organized self-employment ministry and budget. This organized self-employment ministry and budget is unique. From the home and from the self-work, we can act in a very organized manner, connected with the Parliament 750 MPs and 4,500 MLAs and MLCs in a very cordial manner, and by documents we can be seen in that documented path of organized self-employment ministry and budget, which is giving 100% employment to each and every one. This unique concept is developed by me in a democratic manner with truth, non-violence, unity, and by the concept of research, by experiencing the sacred books and reading different books. Let we all come to Sardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, on my mobile number 639736017 for purchasing this book, and understand democracy with my 6 rule, which I have developed for the conceptual understanding of self-employment government job. We have to see from the Rashtrapati Bhavan eye and from the Governor House eye, because the work we are doing is dignified work by self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing, which is self-employment government job, and which will change our nature and we become self-employed. Infinite population and infinite profession, we don't face problem. In the first room, I have put Shiv Puran, 12 Banarsi sari and 12 dhok, with saying the Rashtrapati Bhavan eye. The blessing is coming from the rays of Kailas Dham and Parvati Dham, and the Shiv Parvati, the welfare power, and 12 Jyotir documents which are present, and we are worshipping by putting Gangajal and Belpatra. And then putting our Aadhaar card 16.66%, 16.66%, PAN card 16.66%, photo election ID card, and 16.66% the PAN number, and our employment Mangal Sutra all. We are coming into the blessing in a documented manner by self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing through organized self-employment ministry. This is one aspect. From the second aspect, we have to come to the Vishnu Lakshmi Mandir, the second room of mind. From where? From the Vaikunt and from the Kshir Sagar Dham, the blessing is coming in the document Vishnu Puran, Ramayana and Bhagavad Gita, the Prabhu and Lakshmi. Ram Sita is also Prabhu and Lakshmi, and Krishna Radha is also Prabhu and Lakshmi. From there, 12 Jyotir Mandir of Vishnu, Lakshmi, Ram Sita and Krishna Radha, 12 Banarsi Sari and 12 Dhoti, 16.66% Aadhaar card, 16.66% photo election ID card, 16.66% PAN card, and 16.66% the PAN card, Aadhaar card, and 16.66% passport. And by putting organized self-employment ministry, self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit per month. Fiscal credit table I have made. We are becoming self-employment government job by the document system of mine. Then again come to the Satyadham, the Brahma Saraswati Dham. The work which has been done by the modern lawyers, educationists, Jawaharlal Nehru, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, Rajendra Prasad, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Subhash Chandra Bose, Syama Prasad Mukherjee, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, Lalkrishna Advani, Chandrasekhar, Indira Gandhi, all the work, MPs and MLA, Rabindranath Tagore, Vivekananda, Vinoda Bhave, Rajaram Mohan Rai, all the works putting in the ISBN from Brahma Saraswati Mandir. 16.66% Aadhaar card, 16.66% passport, 16.66% PAN card, and 16.66% photo election ID card, employment, Mangal Sutra, marriage certificate, 12 Banarsi Sari, 12 book. We are living in that. The rays are coming from Satyadham, and by organized self-employment ministry and budget, self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing, we are getting the blessing of our forefathers and moving on a documented path. The fourth room which I have made is Adi Shakti Jagdamba, the Durga Sapsidra Devi Bhagwat, 12 Banarsi Sari and 12 Dhoti, 12 Jyotir Mandir of Adi Shakti Jagdamba all over India, and 16.66% Aadhaar card, 16.66% PAN card, 16.66% passport, and 16.66% photo election ID card, 16.66% marriage certificate, and the Mangal Sutra, and the employment 16.66%. All thing we are putting, and the ray is going towards Adi Shakti Jagdamba Dham, from where there it is coming. We are being working in this organized path by organized self-employment ministry. We will improve and we will become self-employed government servant. From 0 to 18 and 18 to 58 year by self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit shown. This is organized self-employment ministry, 15th session. We have to understand then room number 6 of Hindu mythology. The Hindu Varshkrit. The Hindu Varshkrit, different god and goddess, Surya, Chandrama, Navagraha, Dhanvantari, Kumar, Indra, Sanakadimi, Saptarishi, all, and different types of Hindu Varshkrit. And again 12 Banarsi Sari, 12 Dhoti, 16.66% Aadhaar card, 16.66% passport, photo election ID card, PAN card, marriage certificate, employment, all we are putting, we are moving. By organized self-employment ministry, we are becoming self-employed government servant. By self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit, which is government job. We have to organize by the concept of documentation. Then by 20 into 5 from these, and this ray is going towards each united Varshkrit God and Goddess Dham. From there it is blessing is coming to us in our heart. And then 20 into 5, 16.66, the Indian Constitution, the Parliament, RBI, Supreme Court, Bureaucracy, Army, Police, Secretariat, University, Press. All the important documents, 12 documents I have taken, and 16.66% Aadhaar card, passport, photo election ID card, PAN card, marriage certificate, Mangalsutra, all we are putting. Then I am mixing into 16.66 into 6 is equal to 100%, and then from the 6 rays towards Rashtrapati Bhavan eyes and from the Governor House eyes we are seeing, and then putting in the document form. We are mixing into 6 houses: the Kailash Dham house, the Vaikuntha Dham house, the Kshisagar Dham house, each united God and Goddess house, Brahma Saraswati house, Adi Shakti Jagdamba house, and the Hindu Varshkrit God and Goddess house, and the government house. In English, welfare power house, live money house, law education house, family and a non-veto husband house, truth savior's house, the government house. 6 families generating from the concept, and by house wise we are becoming preamble wise organized employed, preamble wise organized self-employed, in organized self-employment ministry, and 30,000 per month earner above and 30,000 per month earner below. We are taking 70% of we all are below 30,000 per month earner, and 30% in ratio of 12 is to 18 are the above 30,000 per month earner. And by self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit, we are becoming organized self-employment government servant. Organized self-employment government servant. And by organized self-employment government servant, we are able to do our organized self-employment ministry 16th session. This is our 16th session which is trying to explain this. And we are becoming self-employed government servant by the faith, because one income, one work, one self-earning sowing, and one constitutional validity on our income, work, education, faith will give self-employment government job. Because the confidence is lacking, because the government support is not there, because the blessing of parliament and the Vidhan Sabha is not there, that is why we are not able to organize. For that we have to effort by self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing, which I am trying to explain by organized self-employment ministry and budget. Look, in 1860 annual budget 108 ministry was made, and railway budget 1 ministry was made. Since then we have not worked on the government level. We have worked from 1885 for making the independence of India. That dream we have fulfilled. Now we have to gather for making India a self-employed India. Because regular income is must. If 10 rupees from the government side, assurance is getting on our work, we can plan our future according to that. Because throughout life, by self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit, we all poor can get this self-employment government job. For this, trust and faith is required to be generated in the documents. We give revere to the documents. We give respect to the documents. All the documents in the Constitution and the Supreme Court, High Court, we give respect. But we have to give the respect to the work, which I am trying to generate by the rays of Kailash Dham, Vaikuntha Dham, Kshisagar Dham, Brahma Saraswati Dham, Adi Shakti Jagdamba Dham, Varshkrit Dham, and the government Dham. The 6 rays which I am trying to generate for the employment, self-employment government job. Because we are living from 0 days to 58 years, and then up till retirement. Here on this earth, we all are doing our work. One organized work is required from the organized self-employment ministry side, which will generate a self-employment government job, because the population is too much and the professionalism is also too much, but the success rate is less, the regular income rate is less, fairness is more is in the employment. We have to work together in the organized self-employment ministry, and we have to sign the documents. Our brothers and sisters in the parliament, 750 brothers and sisters, 545 from the parliament Lok Sabha and 250 from the Raj Sabha, will definitely guide us in this documented path. We have already Aadhaar card, we have already PAN card, we have already passport, we have the one vote system organized. Only thing we have to make organized self-employment ministry documents and the fiscal credit table which I have made, and the work which we are thinking that we will give validity, and the employment equilibrium point which on the different level I have made. We have to sign per month. For the illiterate, for the signature known people, for the 8th pass, for the 10th pass, for the 12th pass, for the graduate people, and for the postgraduate people, PhD people, equilibrium point of employment I have made. Those who are regularly employed, those who are comfortable in employed, for that it is not necessary, but those who are working in zigzag way, they are uncomfortable. For them, this employment fiscal credit system is too great. From the home we will be self-employed government servant, and the blessing of our 4,000 MLA and MLCs who are in different legislature will come, and the blessing of the parliamentarian from the Lok Sabha and Raj Sabha will come by the document system. And we can see on the organized self-employment ministry budget channel that we are moving towards a organized path, and we are together all over India, from Maharashtra, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala, Bihar, West Bengal, Jammu Kashmir, Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Tripura, Nagaland, Mizoram, Odisha, all the state. Because self-employment, self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing by the organized self-employment ministry, the table which I have made in 2001 August 31st, and in family way, 6 unborn family by the ray of the blessing of the books, I am trying to make an atmosphere of trust, faith, non-violence, unity, the nationalism of organized self-employment ministry and budget, which will guide us, which has been guiding us from time immemorial. The organized path is always good than the unorganized path. The blessing of parliamentarian MPs and MLAs is always good. Without being blessed is harassment in employment. We will work for them, they will bless us. We have to understand their guidance will guide us. I have made the concept of organized self-employment ministry. You have to purchase this organized self-employment ministry book. You have to understand. I am trying to regularly taking the session. This is organized self-employment ministry budget 16th session, which I am trying to explain so that we all can get momentum in life. The regularity of income will definitely come. Mark my word, one regular income will guarantee peacefulness in our life. Most of the disturbance is coming due to the economical problem. The unorganized path which we choose for the employment. I, from my experience, is telling you that self-earning, self-income, certain cash, certain fiscal credit, which I am telling to you, is a self-employment government job to one and all. Nothing will change and everything will change. We will become organized self-employment ministry budget, government servant, fiscal credit, salary will come. Work is optional because organized self-employment ministry budget is home only. One office will be funded by the government of India and full district can go in that, and according to their liking they can sit, and other time we can work in the private sector. That is why 30,000 above and 30,000 below per month earner system I have tried to develop, because population is too much. We are moving all around India. The employment guarantee is not coming up. This is the guarantee employment. Only thing is signing of the document. We will become the representatives of the documents, and document will be taken by the Parliament of India by our public opinion effort. If you will see my house, Sardapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 6397360717, room number 1, room number 2, room number 3, room number 4, room number 5, room number 6. The Kailas Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddam, Adi Shakti, Jagdamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham and government Dham. The book, the rays of the book, you will see the work also of the different employment. The politicians are also working. One room is of politician, one room is of industrialist, one room is of educationist, the lawyers, one room is of family person, one room is of truth and non-violence, and one room is of government. All are working together. When sun is rising and moving into our world, and when sun is setting, all are coming inside the home in the document form. We are able to judge by the document form that work we are doing. Only thing is that this documented path we have to understand. This is the sunrise of organized self-employment ministry and budget that will give us self-employment government job. Infinite population, infinite profession will be employed in each block, in each panchayat, and in each district center, and in each state capital, and in each metros and the New Delhi, the capital of India. We will have organized self-employment ministry. If we are connected with the central government, centrally we will join organized self-employment ministry. If we are connected with the district, state, block, panchayat, we will join to the state government, organized self-employment ministry. By purchasing this book, Truth Only Terms, which I have written, we will regularly remember our ideal, 6 ideal which we are making, which sons and daughter we are. We are the sons and daughter of Shiv Puran, Vishnu Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, Brahma Saraswati Puran, Adi Shakti Jagadamba Puran, Durga Sapsi Devi Bhagavad, the Hindu worship God and Goddess, the government constitution of India. We have to make organized system of employment. Private sector can call us in the ministry wherever they want. They will also not be overburdened. We will also not be overburdened, because work will become congenial. It will have an atmospheric equilibrium. Overworking pressure will be not there. The atmosphere of documents will give us a life which will be more beautiful, Today we have beautiful life, more beautiful life it become. We have to understand you can experiment in your own home by seeing the rays of Kailas Dham, that is Shiv Puran, Vaikunth Dham, Vishnu Puran, Ramayana and Bhagavad Gita, the Prabhu and Lakshmi, Shiv Puran, Shiv Parvati, welfare power, Vishnu Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, life money, Brahma Swarup Puran, law education, ISBN book of Vivekananda, Rabindranath Tagore, Rajaram Mohan Rai, these types of book, Jagdish Chandra Bose, Nobel Prize, Subramaniam, Green Revolution, these types of book. Then Durga Sapsati book. Then Varshkrit, Hindu Varshkrit, Mithila Varshkrit and different Varshkrit. And then Constitution of India, the Parliament, RBI, Bureaucracy, Army, Police, Secretariat. All the rays it is coming and putting organized self-employment documents of Amit Kumar Jha, Sharda Pullo, Narod Darbhanga. We are organized self-employment ministry. We are becoming representative by self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit table, which will give us a direct and organized way. Today we are not knowing what work we will do. Then also we will not know. But one thing will be certain, that organized self, like the school and colleges, hospitals, parliament, that will be fixed. That organized self-employment ministry and budget is fixed. Whenever we will become 18 years, we will go there, self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit we will show, and we will become self-employed government servant. We can leave if we don't want fiscal credit salary, we can leave. But those who want, for them it is required. The irregular earner, the poor people, the people who want self-employment government job, the people who want a equilibrium family life, for them it is required to understand the concept. For that I have put organized self-employment ministry. Regular remembering puja between 16th February to 26th February. By making the ideal of Shiv, Parvati, welfare power, Vishnu, Lakshmi, life money, Ram, Sita and Krishna Radha, Brahma, Saraswati, Adi Shakti, Jagdamba and her husband, each united Varshkrit, God and Goddess, Surya Chandra Navakar, Dhanvanti, Kuber, Sankadimini, Saptarishi, Dhruv, all types of God and Goddess, the Constitution of India, the Bharat Mata and Bharat Pita, and the Aadhaar card. Above it is our senior brother, those who are earning above 30,000 per month, and we as a younger brother, those who are earning below 30,000 per month. We all are part of our Bharat Mata. Only thing is that self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit per month showing is self-employment government job recognition by the Parliament of India and the Vidhan Sabha, Vidhan Parishad, by the Parliamentary Act, as the Act has occurred in 1860 for annual budget 108 ministry, railway budget 1 ministry. This Act of Organized Self-Employment Ministry and Budget, and 15 August 1947 Act, which was passed in Parliament and in Indian Parliament, that we have become independent. By this Act, we will make Organized Self-Employment Ministry and Budget Act by the blessing of our 750 MPs and 4,500 MLAs and MLCs. By their blessing, we all will become self-employment government servant, and henceforth, between 0 to 18 years, if we will require, by any eventuality, we can do self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit in a child organized self-employment ministry and budget. And from 18 years, those of us, we will all require start showing our self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit to our organized self-employment ministry, and whole life we can transfer ourselves from the district headquarters to the state capital by this system. One, our chief minister and prime minister will transfer, and one we can also apply for transfer in this organized self-employment ministry. Because suppose we want to work in Gujarat, we want to work in Mumbai, we can shift. And by the document of this organized self-employment ministry, fiscal credit is always attached to it. From one center, from New Delhi, if we are going to the Mumbai with the organized self-employment ministry, we are not facing any problem, central wise and state wise, because the document is coming to the Mumbai and the atmosphere is getting from the Mumbai. The organized self-employment employees all are known to us because we are working here from 0 to 18 and 18 to 58 years. I have made 18, 32, 46, 58 years slab in that, so that the same age group people work together, and automatically when we are transferring from Delhi to Mumbai or Chennai, the same group people are getting in that, and a paradise type structure is formed when we are working with our type of people. Suppose we are PhD, we are working with PhD, automatically we feel that we both are similar and a friendship occurs. A life becomes beautiful when we are living with our own age person, because we have both equal atmosphere. I have tried to give a equilibrium point in employment by fixing the fiscal credit salary. For that only document signing is required. Suppose we are earning more and up and down, it can be possible because we are doing self-employment. 1 month can be 20,000 and 1 month can be 30,000. But if we are taking average on the 6 month, it is coming 15,000 only. So I have tried to make on the fiscal credit table through the organized self-employment ministry a equilibrium point per month, so that in the administration of organized self-employment ministry and fixing of the pension of the self-employment ministry, there will be no tension in that. A illiterate person, a thumb impression person, because we have 22% of the people who are below poverty line in India, and they can easily work in this organized self-employment ministry and budget. And we who are literate person, PhD holders, those who want to work in a congenial atmosphere, we have to break our dream in the form of signing the documentation in front of the parliament. From our house only we are signing and accepting Amit Kumar Jha concept. Parliamentarian will also accept, and the Vidhan Sabha will also accept a documented path. We are moving on a metalled road nowadays. This employment is like metalled road, the documented metalled road, which is giving a documented employment directly to the Vidhan Sabha and directly to the Parliament of India if you are centrally attached. We have to understand the working style of India. We have matured enough. We have understood that we are the sons and daughters of Shiv Puran, Vishnu Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, Brahma Saraswati Puran, Adi Shakti Jagadamba Puran, Durga Sri Devi Bhagavad, the Hindu Varshkrit Purana, the Constitution of India, Parliament, RBI, Bureaucracy, Army, Police, Secretariat, University, Press. We are moving towards 6 from the blessing of them, and we have become 6 Hindu national family. We will make our houses and we will fix on the equilibrium point 30,000 above and 30,000 below. And in Shardapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847, room number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can imagine that the raise which is coming for the employment is documenting us by self-funding, self-work, certain caste, certain fiscal authority, which is government job. We will acknowledge automatically. We all will acknowledge that as we are democratically independent country, we are self-employed citizen of the country. Wherever we will work in the private sector, our atmosphere will be different, because we will work according to our liking. The pressure will not be from there, because we can do Somvari, Mangalvari, Budhvari, Brahaspativari, Shukravari, Shanivari and Ravivari. Because if salary are less, not to worry, because government guarantee scheme is there in that. Because by your validity, by your trust, organized self-employment ministry will generate trust and validity. When you will purchase this book, when you will play the drama between 16 to 26 February, the 6 Hindu family we are. And between 31st August to 11th September, 6 Hindu family, unborn family we are. We are married with each other in all 6 unborn family. from the village level to the city level to the state level to the metro level. We are sons and daughters, grandsons of these documents, these mandirs. They are blessing us. We have to understand, organize self-employment ministry, come together, make India self-employed by self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit per month showing, and become self-employed under the leadership of our Parliament of India, 750 MPs, 545 from the Parliament, 250 from the Raj Sabha, and from Vidhan Sabha 4,500 from 29 Vidhan Sabha and 6 union territories. We have to faith in their guidance. We have to understand the organized self-employment ministry is requirement of today. Organized self-employment ministry will give us a guaranteed self-employment government job. Only your validity, your trust is required. Organized self-employment ministry is giving per month salary by your trust. The work which we are doing is what we have planned. If we have planned writing, that is our work. If we have planned small work, that is our work. The validity is given from the fiscal credit salary, that this is your salary, and the guarantee paper can be generated by the trust of public opinion, which trust we generated in the national movement, that we can self-rule ourselves, we can home rule ourselves, and we are home ruling ourselves, we are self-ruling ourselves. Now we will document rule ourselves by self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit swing. A equilibrium point of employment will always give us the question mark whether we are above 30,000 per month earner or below, because our finance minister will mention in every budget that 70% of the people, it is equilibrium point. Due to inflation, deflation, depression, repression, it can go up and down, because the budget proceedings can be up and down according to the deficit. But the equilibrium point can be 28,000 or 35,000. It depends on the situations, because every year different type of situations are there. Self-employment government job will generate life in ourselves. Wherever we will live with the blessing of Parliament of India, the blessing of Vidhan Sabha of our state, and a dignified life we will live with self-earning, self-work swing. Our sons and daughters will also live a congenial life where they can plan our life according to our liking. There will be no pressure from any side. We can self-transfer. 3 types of transfer system is: one from the Prime Minister side, one from the Chief Minister side, and from the self. My self-effort is for generating self-employment government job by self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing, because we are 130 crore moving here and there. We are not able to produce documents on time, and time and tides wait for no one, and the time passes. Here time is also there, tide is also there. We have to match our documents. We have to generate trust in Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, room number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, raise. We have to make it together in the document. We have to sign the documents. The Parliament will support us, the Vidhan Sabha will support us, and we will make organized self-employment ministry and budget, and we will move towards a organized regular income life where more happiness will come, because economical problem, most of the economical problem is the root of all the problem, and that can be sorted out by our document system, by self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing, and the fiscal table I have made, that is the equilibrium point, that will be our fiscal credit salary below 30,000, and that way we will make our organized self-employment ministry and budget, and this will improve our system. We can work double and we can be getting salary double. automatically economical condition will also improve, and we will also improve, and our generation will also improve. We will have organized self employment ministry. We have to effort for that. You have to purchase truth only terms. Thank you.